Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an embroidery frame at home using simple cardboard. It's an easy and cost-effective way to create a stable surface for your stitching projects. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a ruler, a craft knife, a pencil, and strong adhesive. A cutting mat is also highly recommended for safety and precision. This project is perfect for small to medium-sized embroidery pieces, providing a firm foundation for your creative work. Now, let's get to the measuring and cutting. Take your sturdy cardboard and measure 2 identical rectangular pieces. For example, you might choose pieces that are 10 inches by 10 inches. From one of these pieces, carefully measure and cut out a smaller inner rectangle. This inner opening will be where your fabric sits, so make it at least 5 inches by 5 inches. Precision here is key for a functional frame, so take your time with the measurements and cuts. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Apply a strong adhesive, like craft glue or hot glue, evenly to the edges of one of your cardboard rectangles. Then, carefully align the second cardboard piece directly on top, ensuring all edges match perfectly. Press them firmly together to create a sturdy, 2-layered frame. It's crucial to let the adhesive dry completely, which usually takes at least 30 minutes, to ensure maximum strength and durability for your new embroidery frame. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and learn how to use your new frame. You can smooth any rough edges with a bit of sandpaper or carefully trim them with your craft knife for a cleaner look. To use it, simply place your fabric over the inner opening and secure it tautly around the edges. Binder clips or even strong masking tape work wonderfully for this. This homemade cardboard frame provides a stable and convenient surface for all your small embroidery projects, making stitching much easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.